guys, it's Sabra. Welcome back to my channel. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Also, like this video if you enjoy it. Today what I'm going to be doing is sharing with you guys how I decorate the Christmas tree in my bedroom. I'm actually overhauling my bedroom at the moment and doing Christmas decor in here. So let's get started. Okay, so I'm not quite sure about this little tree. It's supposed to be like a 4.5-foot tree, I believe. But something about this top is just strange. This was, an old tree that my parents found in their loft. So I don't know. I don't know why this top looks so weird, but it does. So I think it might look a little bit better if I separated that top out a little bit more. I don't know, it just looks so weird right now. Maybe because it doesn't have anything on it, but let's decorate it. Okay, so all of these ornaments that are laying here, I bought from the Dollar Tree. So we are going to use them to decorate my bedroom tree. So you can't beat that, but I'm really excited because I got these little Santa ornament things, and I'm really excited about the little gold accent pieces too. And my mom actually gave me this ribbon here, the buffalo check. I think she got this at Hobby Lobby. Yeah, she did. She got this at Hobby Lobby on sale in the fall. I may use it on this tree or I may use it on my downstairs tree. I'm not sure yet, so I'm just gonna hang on to this to the side and we'll go from there. Okay, so when I was putting up my Christmas tree in my bedroom, I realized I didn't have any lights for it because this tree was given to me by my mom, and normally I buy pre-lit trees, so this one just didn't have any lights, and I was like, it's missing something. So I've got some lights to put on it, so let's go. But while I'm at it and I'm putting up my Christmas tree in my bedroom, I figured I could go ahead and share with you guys some other Christmas touches I'm adding to my bedroom. So let's take a look. Now I'm going to hang a garland on the headboard. So using these command strips will help to prevent damage to the headboard, and it'll make removal really easy, but also to help secure that garland in place so it doesn't fall behind the bed. So let's go. Okay, I actually got 3 of these from Target in the dollar section. They were $3, which is amazing. Can't beat that price. And I think this will be a really cute addition to the bedside tables, just to add a little bit of greenery. tell you guys, something that you will soon learn about me if you don't know already is I will literally change up my decor about 1,500 different ways to see which way I like it the best. So, you guys, here's another look at my bed. I've switched things up a little bit. I'm not exactly sure which way I'll keep it, but oh my goodness, this is absolutely adorable too. So let me know what you think. Let's take a poll. Let's take a poll. Option 1 or option 2. This is option 2. I'm open for thoughts, ideas, suggestions. You guys, I am so excited now that I have my bedroom decorated. I can't wait to tackle the rest of my house, so stay tuned for that. But I want to know, are you someone who decorates for Christmas before Thanksgiving or after Thanksgiving? To be honest, normally I'm the person who decorates after Thanksgiving, but I thought it would bring me a lot of joy to go ahead and put these decorations up now. That way I can enjoy them for a lot longer. But let me know which person you are, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you on the next one. Bye!